I'm Dr. Deana Porterfield, president of Seattle Pacific University. While I'm not able to be with you in person today, I wanted to take a moment and welcome you to campus and thank you for spending part of your day getting to know SPU. Today is about exploration. You'll meet faculty, connect with current students, learn about programs, and begin to imagine what your life could look like here. At Seattle Pacific, we often describe our mission in three simple phrases: with our students, at the cross, and in the city. To be with our students means our faculty choose to invest deeply in the lives of students. They mentor, guide, and walk alongside you throughout your time here. You'll experience hands-on learning, research opportunities, and meaningful relationships that prepare you not just for your first job, but for a life of purpose and vocation, where faith, learning, and your deepest calling come together. In addition to being with our students, we are also at the cross. Seattle Pacific University is a Christian university founded in the Free Methodist Wesleyan holiness tradition. That means our faith is active, generous, and engaged with the world around us. We are not afraid of the complicated challenges of our time, and we believe we are called to serve wherever God leads. We believe faith isn't about perfection. It's about becoming whole. It's about loving God with your whole heart and loving your neighbor in real practical ways. It's about intellectual curiosity, humility, and the courage to live faithfully in a complex world. And if you're not a Christian or you're still exploring questions of faith, you will be a part of a community that believes every person has purpose and immeasurable worth. You will be invited to explore your faith in new ways through opportunities across campus. We believe God gifts every person uniquely. Part of your time in college is discovering those gifts, intellectually, spiritually, and vocationally. What are you good at? What breaks your heart? Where do your talents meet the needs of the world? You'll explore those questions here in the city of Seattle. Being in the city means the world becomes part of your classroom. Our students conduct undergraduate research with faculty, engage in internships and service, and build relationships across one of the most dynamic cities in the country. But being in the city also means learning to see the needs of the world around us and discovering how God might use your discipline and gifts to serve others. At SPU, we are committed to walking alongside our students, grounded in our Christian faith, and fully engaged in the life of this incredible city. I hope today gives you a glimpse of what it means to be a part of this community, and I hope to see you back on campus as a new student. Have a great day and enjoy Seattle Pacific University.